Alright, in this video I'll be talking about how to derive the chain rule formula for our derivatives. So let's suppose we have a function h of x is equal to f of g of x. And to find the derivative, how do we do it? Well, what we want to do is use a limit definition. So we have h prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of g of x plus h minus f of g of x all over h. So let's go ahead and look at the numerator first. So we want to go ahead and notice that g of x is going to be important, okay? So we're going to multiply by g of x plus h minus g of x. So we're going to have f of g of x plus h minus f of g of x times g of x plus h minus g of x. And since we have it's all divided by h, we could pretty much split it as different fractions, right? And pretty much we could rewrite this as g of x plus h minus g of x, and this could become h, and we have that the limit as h approaches 0. We see that this portion right here is going to become g prime of x. So we could just replace that with g prime of x. And now, what is this function right here? So we could say that this looks somewhat similar to our limit definition. So pretty much here, right, for our limit, since we already got g prime, the main focus is what is f of x. So we could say f of g of x is, or we could get the derivative, and we could say that it is pretty much going to be a limit as h approaches 0 of f of g of x plus h minus f of g of x over g of x plus h minus g of x. So we see that pretty much these match, right? So what we can say is that we are going to have f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So pretty much h prime of x is f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So yeah, that's pretty much how to get the chain rule using limit definition. So hopefully that was clear, and yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day.